Toyota has just made a bold move in the North American EV scene. The brand is officially retiring the bZ4X name and introducing its replacement simply as the Toyota bZ. While this might seem like a simple rebranding at first glance, the new 2026 Toyota bZ brings far more to the table, from improved range and performance to fresh styling and modern tech upgrades. Let's start with the design. The original bZ4X already sported Toyota's distinctive hammerhead front end, but the new bZ refines it further. Sharper LED headlights and more aggressive front bumper intakes give the electric crossover a sportier, more modern look. Toyota didn't stop there. They've added new alloy wheel designs in both 18 and 20-inch sizes, and the fender trims can now be painted in body color. However, this color match feature is exclusive to select exterior shades: wind chill pearl, heavy metal, and black. At 184.6 inches long, the Toyota bZ keeps its overall size intact, maintaining its position in the compact crossover segment. But it's what's on the inside and under the skin that truly separates this model from its predecessor. Inside the cabin, Toyota delivers meaningful upgrades that improve both tech and comfort. A larger 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system is now standard across all trims. This new interface is joined by dual wireless phone chargers, 64-color ambient lighting, and even paddle shifters mounted behind the steering wheel, allowing drivers to fine-tune the level of regenerative braking, a first for Toyota's EV lineup. Now let's talk about what really matters in an EV: power and range. Built on Toyota's trusted e-TNGA platform, the 2026 bZ sees major powertrain enhancements. The dual-motor AWD version now puts out an impressive 338 horsepower, a substantial leap over the bZ4X's 215 horsepower. Meanwhile, the FWD variant gets a bump to 221 horsepower, up from 201 horsepower in the outgoing model. That's not just more power, it's more confidence and quicker acceleration in daily driving. Range is also significantly improved, thanks to a new 74.7 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery. The Toyota bZ now offers up to 314 miles of range, a 25% increase compared to the bZ4X. Even the base FWD model, with a smaller 57.7 kilowatt-hour battery, delivers a respectable 236 miles. These upgrades not only enhance usability, but also place the bZ in a more competitive spot among modern EVs. The bZ also supports the North American charging standard, meaning Tesla supercharger access is now available for Toyota EV drivers. Fast charging capability is strong, too. You can juice from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. A new battery preconditioning feature helps speed this up in colder climates, improving efficiency across the board. Availability? The 2026 Toyota bZ is set to hit U.S. dealerships in the second half of the year, arriving in two trims, XLE and Limited, with both FWD and AWD options. Pricing details will be announced closer to launch. While the Toyota bZ currently stands as the brand's only all-electric model in North America, that won't last long. Toyota plans to introduce more EVs soon, including its own version of the upcoming Subaru Trailseeker, a larger SUV aimed at adventurous drivers. With improved performance, better range, modern styling, and tech upgrades, the 2026 Toyota bZ is more than just a renamed bZ4X. It's a signal that Toyota is getting serious about EVs, and North America is just the beginning.